Determination of a pH using glass electrode. What is glass electrode? It is a type of ion selective electrode that made up of doped glass membrane that is sensitive to specific ion. Next, move on to how to determine the pH using glass electrode. pH of unknown solution is determined by measuring potential of solution using glass electrode. In this picture, we can see a glass electrode is coupled with a standard calomel electrode which act as a reference electrode. Both electrodes are dipped in a solution whose pH has to be determined and connected to voltmeter. So the connected to the voltmeter, the potential is measured and then known as cell potential. Here we can see a glass electrode act as an anode and standard calomel electrode act as a cathode. The cell, which is represented diagrammatically and can also be represented as Ag/AgCl/HCl 0.1 molar /glass/test solution / that means salt bridge KCl/Hg2Cl2/Hg. Here Ag bar AgCl means interreference electrode of glass electrode. HCl 0.1 molar means it's an interreference solution. Glass means glass membrane. So the entire glass electrode is coupled with calomel electrode, that is Hg2Cl2 bar Hg. If calomel electrode act as a cathode, the reduction reaction occurs at the cathode. Cathodic reaction is 2H++ 2 electron gives H2 gas. By knowing the calomel electrode potential, glass electrode potential, pH of unknown solution can be determined as E cell equal to E cathode minus E anode. I already mentioned that here standard calomel electrode act as a cathode and glass electrode act as an anode. So it can also written as E cell equal to ESCE minus EG. Here Eg means glass electrode potential. Its value is E0G minus 0.0591 pH. Substituting the Eg value in above equation, we get E cell equal to ESCE minus E0G minus 0.0591 pH. Here ESCE and E0G is constant, so it can written that pH equal to E cell plus E0G minus ESCE by 0.0591. Here E cell already determined, it is known, and ESCE and E0G is constant. Substituting all these value in corresponding place, we can determine the pH of unknown solution. So we can easily determine the pH of unknown solution by using glass electrode. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start a class-like community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.